What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Everlong, Foo Fighters. So let's start with tuning down the E string to a D. So mash it to your D string. So this is cool because if you never did drop D, we have a bunch of power chords that are now gonna look different because we're tuned different. Okay, so let's learn the shapes. Here's the first one. It's 9, 11, 11, starting on the A string. 9, 11, 11. And then for the second chord, we got E string, starting on the E string, we got 9, 9, 11, 11. Then we got 5, 5, 7, 7. Back to 9, 9, 11, 11. Downstrokes. Okay, so that's the verses, then we got the pre-chorus. That's playing octaves using A string and G string. 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 9. So this shape here is 7, 7. 7, 7, 9. 4, 5, 7, 9, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9. 4, 5, 7, 9. 3 times. And that's going to bring us to the chorus. So now the chorus starts on 9, 9, 9, 11 to 5 and the big D. To 7, 7, 9. Oh yeah, first time you stay on D. 2 times. This time is different. 7 to 5. 1, 2, back to verse. Cool. Everlong. Perfect. What a great song. Genius. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Thank you.